Hi, welcome to Math, the Power of Science. Today we'll be talking about quarks. You may have learned in science class that the basics of an atom's nucleus is the proton and the neutron, but the basics that make up the proton and the neutron are the quarks. There are 6 main types of quarks. There are the up, down, strange, charm, top, and bottom. As you go down the list, you increase in the mass and instability of the quark. Along with this, the top row has a charge of 2/3 and the bottom row has a charge of -1/3. One quality that all quarks have is color. You can't actually see this color, it's just a name we give quarks for their 3 different states. These states perfectly cancel each other out so that there is no force. You can have it by mixing all 3 of these or by mixing 2 opposites. If you look at a proton, you can see that it has an up and a down quark. This means that its charge is a positive 1. If you look at a neutron, then it has an up, a down, and a down, which the charges cancel each other out, so it's left neutral. Protons and neutrons are part of a group called baryons, which have 3 quarks. Now, there are many different types of baryons, but the reason we don't hear of them is because they snap out of existence in an instant. The thing that holds the proton or neutron together is the gluon. It can change the color of a quark and then correspondingly change another quark so that it balances out. Earlier I said that there was an anti-green. This is because there's an anti-quark. The quark that is an anti-quark has the same mass, but has opposite of other charges like color and electric charge. We have never been able to see one quark by itself because quarks can never be by themselves. They always have to be bonded. But because of this, we have never been able to see one quark. So how do we know they exist? Well, we have taken a proton and shot electrons at it. And we've carefully measured where the electrons have scattered, if they've scattered at all. And we've noticed that there have been 3 points that the electron have been scattering from, showing that there are 3 points in the proton, not just one solid mass. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below or suggest a topic for a future video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe.